What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and I'm wearing my glasses, you guys. I actually don't normally wear these ones. These are supposed to be like an anti-glare version. They're okay, but I usually wear my non-anti-glare version. And instead of like green or blue, it just looks more white. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you prefer that? Because I kind of prefer that. But anyways, that's off topic. So I'm about to figure out what video should we do today. Okay, guys, I'm so excited. I have missed you guys so much. I haven't sat down in front of the camera in a few days at least, so I'm like super excited to finally be here. I didn't even do my mic check, so give me 1 second so I can make sure that my mic is working. Okay, it looks like we're good. So all's in check. Now I'm about to pick out a video to do. I have it set up a little bit different today, so I don't really know how it's gonna look. I didn't even look at the video. I just made sure that the mic was good because that's how excited I am, you guys. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this one is okay. So we got. Well, who is this? This is. I think that was Now Reserve, and this one, okay, and this one is Madam Glam. We about to do a Madam Glam one. Okay, we gonna do the Madam Glam one, y'all. I gotta show love to Madam Glam. So I did this yesterday, y'all, and this was a removal. Let me make sure. Hold on. Let me eject this. Oh yeah, so I'm just here with y'all a little early. Normally I wouldn't come on here until I'm actually ready, but I was like, well, I may as well go on there now because I'm ready. I'm excited, but my setup is not all together yet, so my bad, y'all, my bad. And I realized that I'm trying to keep my like notification, like if I'm not in a meeting or doing something like that, I need to have my notification volume on. I remember when it was like back in the early 2000s, it was a real thing to have ringtones and to make sure that you always got your notifications. And then I used to have my watch, but I don't wear it every single day because I'm home all the time. So I definitely need to stop being like so antisocial and turn my notifications on. So if you guys hear my notifications, that's why. That's why. Okay. So just so you guys know, I posted the 𝑚 video, the unboxing. You guys, if you order from 𝑚, it's going to get there the next day. Like, I'm not capping. They told me my package was on the way. I don't even be having time to walk to the mailbox and it be in there. And I'm like, y'all don't be playing. So sometimes I take a little while to do my 𝑚 videos because I'll be expecting it to take a few days to get here. I'll be having other things planned. And that has happened a lot lately. So I have tons of, like, I have a Now Reserve video. Well, you guys know I have the Anti-Love 2 part. The second part, part 2. That one I gotta do. And that one is a Now Reserve. And then I have Manny Watch Me Work, that's Now Reserve. And 𝑚. Oh no, Now Reserve. No, and I have a 𝑚 in addition to that one. And then, okay, that one I already did. Okay. And I have SXC Cosmetics with Maniology, which I'm probably going to post that later today if I can. I need to do that one. The nails turned out okay. I'm still not 100% confident with stamping, but it was mostly my fault. I always, it's like when I have experimental sets, I like to actually experiment. So I don't hold myself too accountable for like using anything perfectly. And then the design just comes out however. And I'm like, it was a practice set. I tried. If it would have came out cute, I would have been like, awesome. But sometimes when you're trying new products or you're experimenting with colors on top of other colors and things like that, it don't come out how you expect. So that's what happened with that. But I'm still going to show you guys it's not a big deal. I just got to edit that one. And then, of course, we have the one we busted do. Okay. So that's that. How have you guys been? Make sure you like this video. If you're still here, I'm sure you like the video. And be sure to subscribe if you're not already, so that you can be notified every single time I upload. And I understand that's like the main benefit to subscribing is the notifications. But, well, because I try to send out a blog post with all of my uploads, but I don't always do it. So if you don't sign up for the personal notifications, then it's best, well, it's good to sign up for that, but that's not even good enough sometimes you need to be subscribed. So yeah, I'm really bad with not subscribing. Some of my favorite YouTubers, I'm like, it's because I need to unsubscribe from all the people that I subscribe from, that I like just subscribe to subscribe. Once I do that, then I feel like I should subscribe to everybody that I actually like. That's a big commitment. So I just don't even do anything. I'm just like, Samantha, don't. All right, so now we're about to start. Okay, y'all ready? So this is a set. I think this was a little bit of acrylic. She cut her nails. Her nails came looking way different than I remember sending her out with them. She was doing a whole bunch of stuff. She was working, I guess. I don't know. That's what we were talking about. Like, girl, what happened to your nails? So I didn't show you guys the removal because I've been showing you guys that a lot lately. So if you haven't seen it, just go back a few videos. I've been showing it a lot, but this pinky was so stubborn. I personally think she didn't have it all the way in the acetone, and I was like, we're not about to do this, we're just gonna take this off. So I have been experimenting and practicing with my sanding band on the e-file. Low-key love it, not gonna cap at all. It's like, I really do like it. As you can see, okay, so for different clients, you have a different experience. Like, for example, if they have stubborn nail beds, I personally don't really feel comfortable tearing through them with, like, not stubborn nail beds, but stubborn cuticles. I personally don't feel comfortable tearing through them with this. I would rather push them back, you know, use a cleaning cuticle bit like the one that I typically use, my fave, and then of course go back in there with this just to make sure that there's no cuticle left over on the nail bed. And then that's just because I like to be sensitive to my clients. But yeah, that's just my perspective. For her, she never has overgrown cuticles. She has perfect nail beds. Her junk is like, sis, where'd you get these, you know? So I really love that. And so with her, it's very minimal. Like, we don't really have to do much at all. And it's like, I'm gonna see how it is as far as the retention with using the sanding band on the e-file like that. But I guess that's like one of the main differences between hand filing and e-filing with the sanding band. With the hand file, you can actually feel the pressure first person, you know, because you're applying it, and then you can also control the grit a little more, like, and the speed, obviously. Like, you can use the you know, coarse grit or the fine grit. Obviously you would use the coarse grit, or if you can, a medium coarse grit. By the way, y'all, my nails, even in this video, so I'm working on a set, y'all already know that or whatever, and I haven't finished because I've been so busy. But today is the day, okay? And I think I gotta go to hockey with my kids today again. I know y'all are like, girl, you said that on the last video. I did, because I always gotta go. Anyway, so we went ahead and clipped her nails. Now we're gonna go ahead and, I did have her go wash her hands after that, and I give them a scrub brush so that they can scrub the, you gotta do this, you gotta be like like that, right? That's my cat, if y'all can hear her. But anyways, after I have them wash their hands, then I bring them back and I do alcohol prep on them, because that way I can make sure I get all the dust out, it's thoroughly done. Sometimes it leaves lint behind, so definitely prefer to use the non-lint ones, which I got lint-free wipes I just have to get a little squirt bottle for them. By the way, we're using the model ones. I feel like I got some hair on me somewhere. It's irritating me. All right. We're using the model ones, no primer. I actually do like this. It works. Everyone has been fine. Her set was old. That's why it was coming off like that. It was well overdue to be taken off, but we tried to make it last as long as possible. And then we got the Madam Glam base coat gel, which is my personal fave. I think the base coat gel works well and is also safe for your nail beds. You guys know that Madam Glam is 21 toxin free formula, which is basically more or less vegan, right? And cruelty free. It's also environmentally friendly, which means it doesn't have palm oil. I guess that's kind of cool, because like we love our coconuts, we love our palm trees, and so we love environmentally friendly. And cruelty free, meaning that it's not tested on animals, it is tested on humans. I love it. You guys probably love it. If you guys ever do shop Madam Glam, you can save with my discount code. I need to remember it by now. I just always feel like I'm gonna forget it. See, I knew I wouldn't have remembered it. It's Goddess Nails 30, and it's for 30% off. And in the middle of the month, Madam is gonna be having a special thing, and they're gonna be offering 50% off. So just stay tuned for that. By the way, we are using Madam Glam. It's over there somewhere, so I'm gonna grab it. Hold on. Okay. Nah, okay. We're using Madam Glam one-way ticket. This is the color that I'm totally obsessed with. Okay, so you guys probably know that. I think yes, this one. This is one of my all-time favorites by Madam Glam. They are so ill with the nudes. Even my girl yesterday, she's like, they have so many nudes. Like, and I'm like, girl. And she's like, I was talking to my husband about this nude, and he's like talking about that nude, and he's like, well, isn't it nude? And she's like, but yeah, you don't get it. And I'm like, no, he don't get it, girl. So Dreamer is by Madam Glam, and I think this was from like the October, November, December, I don't even remember, but this color is OMG. It's like, hold on, let me see if I can show y'all. Like, more or less y'all can see, and you guys are gonna see that the color I'm gonna show you is very similar. However, this is fully opaque, and this one is translucent, which makes it look very, oh my gosh, you see that? Yes. And you guys can see it on the video, of course. This looks very natural. It gives you like this perfect look. And actually, I did her mom's nails one time, and her mom got this color, and I love it. That's why I do not pull this out and put it on the shelf. It is over in a special place where nobody can be like, what's that one? None of your business. Hold on, y'all. I'm not even gonna hold y'all up. If it's that good, yes. Like, I need to order. I'm gonna make a list of Madam Glam polishes that I definitely want to order, like, to have on the shelf, because it's so sad when you hear people and they talk about like their favorite products, and they're like, oh yeah, but they stopped selling it, or la la la. And it's like, listen, give me the CEO's phone number. I'm gonna hit you up. We gonna do this. We ain't gotta tell everybody. I'm not joking. You cannot take no for an answer. And then if you can't have it, then you got to recreate it. Like, let me buy the color off you. You don't want to make it, let me buy the color off you. Let me make it. Can it become mine? I'll give it a different name. Nobody will ever know. So anyways, I'm fooling you guys. So yeah, how you guys liking it? Sorry, I am so crusty and dusty. You guys, I have not stopped working. It's like, I finally took a break last night, but it wasn't perfect, because like, if I would have just made my mind up and been like, okay, girl, go to sleep, get your rest, do you, boo, that would have been good. But I was like, nah, I'm gonna get up. And I even left my light on out here, like this colorful light that I have, and I'm like, I shouldn't leave it on all night. First off, it costs money. Second off, it's gonna ruin my light. Like, I need to turn it off after a while. But I slept all night and I got some rest, so I'm proud of myself, you know. Anyways, oh yeah, by the way, my boyfriend made this for me. It's a cross and it has an opal. Oh, and in the background it has a glittery black color, and then up here is purple. And I don't know if y'all can really see it, but it's so cute. Okay, so we're going in with our SXC Cosmetics top coat. I like to use this one because it's no wipe. You don't have to wipe it, and it's pretty reliable, honestly. And yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll see how she does with it. It seems like they do well. I don't know, maybe they'll tell me they don't like it, but I like the SXC Cosmetics one. What kind of top coat do you guys like, or what kind of top coat should I try? Because I'm not really picky when it comes to top coats. There's either like yes or no, and then some of them are like Nail Reserve LA. Oh my gosh, actually I should back order theirs because I love Nail Reserve's top coat. Madam Glam's top coat, I've never tried the no wipe one. I think they do have a differentiation between top coat and no wipe top coat. I'll have to check. I'm not 100% sure because I think I got some top coat in a box somewhere, and it's probably SXC, and I like their top coat, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? But I will say that I got the No Reserve bottle up there on the shelf back there, and it's empty. It's never mind. I don't want to cuss, y'all. It's too early to cuss, but it's empty AF. And I definitely need to order some. That's the one that I'm like, I'll pay for it. Yes, give it to me. But I should probably wait for like another super sale. Anyways, her nails is did or whatever. I love how you can sort of almost kind of see her natural nails underneath, like everything. I'm telling you, this is the Madam Glam top cuticle oil, which I typically use on everybody. I saved the Young Nails one for me because even though I do nails, I am a DIY nails girl, and well, I don't get to do my nails as much anymore, but I'm so stingy with certain things like that one-way ticket, and also with my Young Nails cuticle oil. So yeah, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the cuticle oil off of her nails for my pictures or whatever, and y'all are gonna see them. So anyways, I love you guys so much. Have a happy old day. I'm gonna post this right now. It should upload quickly because you know, it's not that long. But look at her nails. I'm so in love. They just look so beautiful, and she likes to go for like she tries to be cute, and then she's kind of like, I need to go for my sporty look, like F this. And so now she's got her sporty look, and I know she's happy because I'm the same exact way. Like, that's why it feels so good to have one hand with no nails and one hand with nails. We're not gonna talk about that though. But anyways, I love you guys so much. I'll see you on the next one. I'll holla y'all. Peace.